Dr. William DiPaolo here, bringing you 5 foods that you can eat to help increase your gut-brain or strengthen your gut-brain connection. This connection between your gut and your brain are very important because it controls things like your eating behavior, which establishes your hunger and how full you are, as well as having an influence on mood, depression, as well as cognitive function, and can impact diseases like Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, even autism. So the first food that you want to increase or you want to add to your diet to strengthen that gut-brain connection are fermented foods. Fermented foods include kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and yogurts. These foods contain prebiotic fibers that are found in the vegetables that are sometimes associated with the fermented food. And they also contain probiotic bacteria, such as lactobacillus or bifidobacterium. The prebiotic fibers are there to help feed and nourish your own gut bacteria, while the probiotic bacteria you hope will colonize your gut and provide more health and help with the inflammation and the short-chain fatty acids that are being produced in the gut. The second food that you want to add to your diet would be fiber-rich foods. These are foods like fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, which means that it feeds certain members of the gut microbiome, and when they break that fiber down, they produce things like short-chain fatty acids such as butyrate. Now, butyrate and other short-chain fatty acids are important because they help to maintain the integrity of the gut barrier. They also dampen inflammation in the gut, and they can go out of the gut where they can strengthen the blood-brain barrier. So they're acting at both the gut and the brain to create stronger barriers to avoid things like toxins and other factors that can pass through that barrier. The third food that you want to add to your diet are fatty fish. These include mackerel, salmon, sardines. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and these are really important because they help to dampen inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids are also known to promote the expansion and to help feed bacteria like bifidobacteria and Lactobacillus, which are both beneficial microbes. At the same time, they will decrease the Enterobacteriaceae bacteria, which are things like E. coli. So omega-3 fatty acids are really important at maintaining that balanced microbiome and making sure that there's not too much of a potential pathogen in your gut. Omega-3 fatty acids also support brain health by reducing oxidative stress and by sopping up free radicals and preventing DNA damage that can lead to cancer. The third food that you might want to consider adding to your diet is turmeric. Now, this is a spice that contains something called curcumin. Curcumin has already been known for its anti-inflammatory properties and also is known for its neuroprotective effects. Now they're tracing these back to its interaction with the gut bacteria. So curcumin positively influences gut health by reducing inflammation in the digestive tract, but it also supports the growth of beneficial bacteria such as bifidobacterium, lactobacilli, which are 2 probiotic species, and at the same time decreases potential inflammatory families like Ruminococcus and Enterobacteriaceae. This basically will influence neurotransmitter production and contribute to an improved mood and improved cognitive function. And lastly, the food that you might want to add to your diet or increase are leafy greens. These include spinach, kale, Swiss chard, anything that's green and leafy. These are rich in nutrients, they're rich in antioxidants, they support a healthy gut environment because of those things, but they also contain high levels of vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall gut health. This can help reduce oxidative stress, and that is a better environment for beneficial gut bacteria to live in because they have fiber in them. They also serve as a prebiotic, so that encourages the growth of beneficial microbes in the gut, which will contribute to neurotransmitter production and hopefully impact mood and cognition in a positive manner. So those are 5 different foods that you can eat or increase in your diet to improve your gut health and your brain health and the communication between these 2 very important systems.